Friends, let's continue. Factors of trinomial which is not a perfect square trinomial. Example is given. So first of all we will check that the root of first term is clear, is exactly possible. Yes, the root of first term root is equal to root of x square, means exact perfect square root we are getting, that is x. Then we go for second term, if that is last term perfect square root we are getting or not. So 5. So 5 we won't get. No, not perfect square, not perfect square root obtain. Okay, it will be in the decimal form or something like perfect square नहीं मिलेगा. Okay, so from this we get an idea that the given trinomial is not perfect square trinomial. Sir, you have not checked the middle term. There is no need, because first is okay, yes, but second one only proves that it is not a perfect square, means it is no. So from here only we get that idea. If one of them is not perfect square and the middle term is not according to this, then it is not a perfect square trinomial. Okay, so because of this last term is not perfect square trinomial, the whole given trinomial is not a perfect square trinomial. Now what is the procedure to get the factors of this? So step 1, okay, we will learn, but some notes are there, just get an idea of it, and we will solve the same example. Notes are as follow. Please write down in the notebook also. That is, if the given trinomial is not a perfect square trinomial, then multiply the coefficient of first term and last term. So need to get the product of first term and last term. Okay, then you will get the product. The second thing you have to do is, if you get the product, if the product is positive term, then find such two factors of it whose addition is equal to the coefficient of the मिडल टर्म. जो प्रोडक्ट मिला है उसके फैक्टर्स निकालने हैं. जैसे हम ऑलरेडी वी हैव लर्न द हाउ टू फाइंड द फैक्टर्स ऑफ इट. प्राइम फैक्टर्स नहीं, जनरल फैक्टर्स ऑफ इट. एंड out of all these factors, which factors to be added, and by adding any two factors, such factors you will getting is equal to the coefficient equal to the middle term coefficient. Okay, and next step, sign also we have to keep. So if given middle term positive, given middle term is positive. Okay, then both the factors will have plus sign. Okay, before it, and if in case the given middle term is negative, then both the factors will have minus sign before it. So we do one example and try to solve this one only, the question, and we will get the perfect idea. Okay friends, so step by step we are proceeding further. So solve, or we can write factorize. Okay, x square plus 6x plus 5. As we already know, this is not a, first term is perfect square, but last term is not a perfect square. Root we are not able to find, so this trinomial is not a perfect square. Okay, now factors. So what they have done, given to us first step, if the trinomial is not perfect square, then multiply the coefficient of first term and the last term. So first term coefficient is 1 and last term coefficient is 5, and the product obtained is 1 5 5. Now 5 is a positive number. Okay, so if the product is obtained and the product is positive term, then such two factors of it whose addition is equal to the coefficient of the middle term. तो इसके 5 के factors निकालने हैं. Factors of 5 क्या होगा, 1 5 5, और दूसरा कोई फैक्टर निकल सकता है, नहीं निकल सकता ना, क्योंकि 2 के टेबल में भी नहीं आता, 3 के टेबल, 1 5 5. Okay, or 5 1 5. So only if we add these two factors are only there because this is a prime number, and if we add these two, so 1 plus 5, if we add factors. Okay, so if we add the factor, we will get 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 6 is equal to middle term coefficient. Okay, middle term, given middle term. Okay, so now we will find the factors of it. सो एक्स स्क्वायर ऐसे ही लिखेंगे. अब इसको स्प्लिट करना है तो कौन से फैक्टर लेंगे, एक 1x और दूसरा लेंगे 5x, ये दोनों. ओके, प्लस 5 ये वाला. बट व्हाट इज द साइन फॉर दिस टू factors? So we have learned, if the given middle term is positive, then both the factors will have plus sign. Concept clear? So we have find the factors of middle term. Now it will become a term for this, that is 4 terms now. Clear? So 4 terms are there, then you know that it is to be splitted into two terms, that is binomial. So here we will find the common of it. So common factor is which one? So x is common and remaining x plus 1 is in bracket. Then plus sign. Then out of this 5x and 5, so 5 is common, the remaining one is x, and no factor left is means 1. Okay. Then x plus 5 is 1 bracket, and this 2 common 1 bracket, x plus 1. This way you get the factors of trinomial, which is not a perfect square trinomial. So question may arise in your mind, suppose sir, if this product is positive, though this is the procedure. Sometimes the coefficient may be given negative of first term and last term, one of the coefficient. So product obtained will also be negative. So when the negative product, what to do? Clear? So we take one more example, and when we just do check first term, a square root possible, yes, but 21 is not a perfect square number. Okay, 25 होता तो 5 5 is 25 into 5, that is 25 is a perfect square number. 21 is not possible because 3 7s are 21, it is not a perfect square number. So from this we get an idea, this is not a perfect square trinomial. So when perfect square trinomial is not there, step 1, what was the step 1 हमने किया था, याद है कि भूल गए? If find the product, first step, find product of first term and last term. Okay, so first term coefficient, huh? So it will be 1 into 21, but how, which type of minus 21? Okay, so the product obtained is negative, so product is negative. Okay, so what to do now when the product obtained is negative? So I'm writing the steps. If multiplication of first term and last term is negative, then find such two factors of it whose difference means minus is equal to the coefficient of the given middle term. So if positive product we have obtained, so we were doing addition, okay, of the factors, but negative product obtained, so we will find the difference of such two factors. So factors of 21 सबसे पहले तो, so we will try to solve this example. Okay, and about sign also, so which sign should be kept in front of? So if middle term is positive, okay, then bigger factor will have plus sign and smaller factor will have minus sign. Okay, so here middle term given positive plus wala middle term, so bigger of these two factor, bigger term will be having plus sign and smaller term will having factor will have less minus sign. Now proceeding further, if the middle term is negative, clear, then bigger factor will have minus sign and smaller factor out of these two will have plus sign. Okay, that will make that negative one. Okay, now let's solve अब सॉल्व करने का ये तो स्टेप्स है, बट हाउ टू सॉल्व ओरली, और फटाफट कैसे करेंगे. सो ए स्क्वायर प्लस 4a माइनस 21 इज अ क्वेश्चन गिवन टू यू. तो फर्स्ट चेक करना, जैसे एग्जाम में आपको क्वेश्चन दिया है. सो ए का स्क्वायर रूट पॉसिबल, यस. देन 21 स्क्वायर रूट पॉसिबल, नो. ओके, सो नॉट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर ट्राइनोमियल. ओके, पहले तो ये आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया. स्टेप 2 क्या करना है, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फर्स्ट टर्म इंटू लास्ट टर्म. ओके, सो 1 इंटू माइनस 21, सो यू विल गेट माइनस 21 एज अ प्रोडक्ट. सो कैसी प्रोडक्ट आई, इट्स अ नेगेटिव प्रोडक्ट. ओके, वैन नेगेटिव प्रोडक्ट तो कोई बात नहीं, फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे. तो फैक्टर्स 1 इंटू 21, 1 इंटू 21 माइनस 21 जैसे निकालेंगे. सो 21, फिर 2 के टेबल में नहीं आता, 3 7 ज़ा 21. ओके, तो माइनस है, तो एनी वन विल बी माइनस, तो मिल जाएगा. अब वो लोग बोल रहे हैं वी वांट टू फाइंड दैट डिफरेंस ऑफ एनी टू गिवन फैक्टर्स, ये दोनों फैक्टर्स में से इज इक्वल टू मिडल टर्म कोएफिशिएंट. जैसे कि 1 में से, ये 21 में से 1 निकालूंगा, यू विल गेट 20. तो 20 इज नॉट कोएफिशिएंट रिलेटेड टू इक्वल टू मिडल टर्म, गिवन मिडल टर्म. देन 7 में से 3 निकालूंगा, 7 माइनस, वी हैव टू फाइंड difference of factor. So 7 minus 3, it will be 4, is equal to middle term. Okay, अब मिडल टर्म के बराबर हो जाए. सो फैक्टर्स कौन से हो जाएंगे, एक तो 7a एंड 3a. अब इन दोनों के आगे साइन. सो साइन ऑफ दिस, एक इज 7a एंड 3a. सो साइन रखना है, तो कौन सा साइन रखेंगे वो भी देख लेते. 3a और 7a, इसका तो माइनस 21 एज यूजल. नाउ द साइन फॉर द दिस टू फैक्टर्स. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न, इफ द मिडल टर्म इज पॉजिटिव, सो मिडल टर्म इज पॉजिटिव, देन बिगर फैक्टर विल हैव प्लस साइन एंड स्मॉलर फैक्टर विल हैव माइनस साइन. सो इट इज पॉजिटिव मिडल टर्म, सो बिगर फैक्टर इज 7 is having positive sign, smaller factor is having negative sign. Now this will become again what previously what we have done, that is binomial now 4 terms. So common of this one is, out of this a is common, so a minus 3, and plus out of this 7 is common, so a minus 3. चेक करना है, तो a into a square minus a into 3, that is 3a. Then 7a plus minus and 7 3s are 21. Okay, so we are correct. Now bracket of this one, a plus 7, and this combined two brackets we will write 1, a minus 3. So these are the factors of trinomial which is not perfect square and whose product of the coefficient first term and last term is negative. Previously what we have learned, whose product is positive. So this many things you have to remember, and slowly and gradually when you do more and more sum, you will get idea how to solve this. Okay, so first to identify the trinomial, and secondly we have to solve as per the rules. Hope so clear to everyone, and we proceed for the exercise 14.2 based on this.